There have been some developments on the Stellar blockchain in the last couple of weeks, so let's get into it for those Stellar bag holders. This article is coming from Crypto Mode, Stellar, and Ethereum Classic set to soar while your pre-sale exceeds expectations. We're going to talk about Stellar in particular. So Stellar is a peer-to-peer network founded by Stellar Development Foundation. In 2015, Stellar positions itself as a DeFi platform that aims to provide banking services to the unbanked and the underbanked populations in developing countries, while offering low-cost financial transactions through its network. So, Stellar is in the business to, for example, try to take out companies such as Western Union. So on May 19th, Stellar, with Ripple and IOTA, became the first cryptocurrencies to integrate with SWIFT under the ISO 20022 regulation. So the achievements enable Stellar to disrupt traditional banking systems and offers faster, cheaper, and more efficient alternative transaction methods. So the SWIFT network is used by all the worldwide banks. It was what the U.S. did in cutting off Russia access to the financial economies around the world. It was the SWIFT bank that they denied them access. So what is ISO? I know it's some type of standard, but this next article does a good job in explaining what ISO, I'm familiar with ISO 2000 is. So this article is coming from ETH News, Unleashing the Crypto Titans, Ripple's Stellar and IOTA lead the charge. Again, unlocking possible SWIFT integration in the billion-dollar market. All right, so we're going to talk about ISO in particular. So over the years, payment message formats have developed regional peculiarities necessitating translation. Such consistency results in operational bottlenecks, leading to efficiency and escalating costs. So, there's no standard, it appears. To address these issues, the financial industry is turning to ISO 20022, a novel standard of payment message that promotes open communication. This new standard outlines the importance of uniformity in financial services, paving the way for future advancement. So this ISO 20022 resolves the problem by providing a standardized format, thus establishing a universal language for international payment. Adopting a standard underpinned by rich data enhances global connectivity and ensures compatibility with virtually all payment systems worldwide. ISO 20022 emerges as the most flexible financial messaging standard to date, crucial for future-proofing the payments industry. All right, so got a couple of things going on. Now, we also have some other developments that have happened with Stellar. Coming from ETH News again, Stellar partners with AnChain.ai to revolutionize future payments and conquer billion-dollar market. So as you can see, the payment rail system worldwide is a huge opportunity for Stellar in particular. AnChain.ai, a prominent Web3 digital asset security and risk monitoring firm, has announced its integration with Stellar, a decentralized open source blockchain network focused on cross-border payments. With the increasing prominence of digital assets and cross-border payments, the need for robust fraud prevention solutions have become crucial. AnChain.ai, Cisco investigation platform powered by AI technology and Open BIE provides an additional layer of trust to institutions and developers building on Stellar. This integration allows developers to prioritize security and customer safety right from the initial stage of their project. So you can see the couple of past weeks, we had a big win. Stellar getting some notoriety with regards to cross-border payments, um, being one of the three cryptocurrencies to have the privilege of working on the SWIFT network. And then, cyber security is a big thing, including on the blockchain, even though everything is transparent. Um, but they appear to have made a partnership with AndChain.ai. Like I said, these recent reports show that Stellar is still moving forward. Maybe not getting the flowers that they may deserve, but they are still moving forward with development, which is good to see. When we go to the price chart of Stellar, let's start with the weekly chart. And we can see that right now, price is holding in this zone near 9 cents. You had a basing candle here and a huge move higher. So when price came back down, because this green candle wasn't on strong volume, this is why you're getting the, I'll say the non-reaction, right? Typically, if you have high volume, um, typically you would see price bounce higher. But in this case, price has been basing for the last couple of weeks. You can see this hammer candle, so there were some buyers at the 8 cents level. I'm going to remove this from the chart now. The chart suggests the best levels to buy is further below, where there are weekly buyers at 7 cents. Now, this level is used up when price came back down. It's pretty much penetrated the entire zone. Price reacted, came back down into the zone to pick up any remaining unfilled buy orders, and that's when it shot higher. However, this level is still good until we actually get a breach and a close below the 7 cent level. All right, let's just go to the daily chart for a quick second. Now, this zone I marked in blue as there are daily sellers at the 10 cent level. Volume was decent, so that becomes a first target to the upside. And when I look at current price, look down to the left, you can see how price came down. Price was supported by the buyers at 7.7 cents area. So let's do this. Let's see how volume looks here. Volume's okay. So we're going to put two lines to isolate this drop in price, basing, and then a huge move higher. So this formation is nested within this weekly buyer's level. Let's pull back out to the weekly chart. If prices continue to decline in this area, I would anticipate buyers stepping in to push price higher. want to go back to the daily chart again to see where the 200-day moving average is. So at the moment, the 200-day moving average is serving as resistance. There is no play at the moment on Stellar, despite the recent news, positive news in the last couple of weeks. Again, the best levels to go long, if you're not in Stellar, but you want to add to your portfolio, would be at the 7 cents level. If you're in Stellar and you want to add more, dollar cost average, I would wait until price gets down a little lower. Again, upside opportunity is 10 to 11 cents, where the weekly sellers waiting for price to get to. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.